In this video, you will learn how to fix Cash App won't let me add a debit card. If Cash App won't let you add a debit card, follow these simple steps to resolve the issue. First, check card compatibility. Ensure your debit card is eligible to be used with Cash App. Some cards, such as prepaid cards or cards from smaller banks, may not be accepted. Cash App typically works with Visa, MasterCard and Discover debit cards. Verify your card information. Double check that you have entered the correct card number, expiration date, CVV number and billing address. A small mistake can prevent the card from being added to your account. Ensure sufficient funds. Make sure your debit card has enough funds to cover the initial verification or charge from Cash App. Then, update Cash App. Ensure you're using the latest version of Cash App by checking for updates in your phone's app store. Check your bank account. Some banks have security features that prevent new transactions or linking with apps like Cash App. Ensure there are no restrictions on your bank account. Clear app and cache. For Android users, clear the cache from your Cash App app. Go to Settings, Apps, then click on Cash App, Storage and click Clear Cache. If this is still not working, reinstall the app. If the issue persists, try uninstalling and reinstalling Cash App. This can help resolve bugs and glitches that may have interfered with the card linking. If none of the above work, reach out to Cash App support. You can contact them through the app by going to your profile, clicking support, clicking something else and then select cannot add card. By following these steps, you should resolve the issue. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.